In this class we will know the command Sculpt, which allows sculpting surfaces, adding or removing material from solid bodies, from a volume defined through surfaces. To show your application, we will finish the drawing of this jar, which is a solid piece. We will make the catcher through surfaces, adding material to the jar and completing your design. We start by creating a sketch in the central vertical plane of the jar. We press F7 on the keyboard so that we can visualize the outline region, and project the outer geometry of the jar. We create two lines, which will represent the outer upper part of the handle. We draw a reference line in the center of the previously created lines and apply the necessary constraints. Now we draw an arch and apply the necessary restrictions. Observe. We inform the measurements to the outside of the catcher as shown. We finish the sketch and select the Revolve tool. In Output we choose the option Surface and select the edges drawn. For the selection in Axis, we expand the planes and axes of origin, and select the central Y-axis of the jar. In Extents, select Angle, enter the value of 40 degrees and click OK. We repeat operations to make the inner part of the handle. Keep track. We create a plane with 15 mm relative to the center, as shown. Next, we create a sketch in this plane and draw a rectangle. We finish the sketch and with the Boundary Patch tool we create the surface of the rectangle. We remove visibility from the plane using the visibility option. We apply the mirror tool to mirror the created surface. Let's now add the handle to the jar, using the tool Sculpt. We have activated the tool and see that a new window opens with its options. With the Surfaces button activated, we can select the surfaces of the model to which we want to apply this tool. With the Solid button activated, we can select the solid parts of the model in which it is necessary to apply this command. We press the Surfaces button and select all created surfaces and the solid body of the jar. We can also determine whether we will add material, remove or create a new solid. We select Add Material and confirm the operation. OK, we have the handle surface completed and added to the jar. In this class we know the command Sculpt, used to sculpt surfaces, removing or adding material on a solid body.